Hey guys, it's the Western Nomad. You're looking at the Comet ghost town in southwest Montana. This is a hidden gem in the heart of Montana's beautiful wilderness. Once a thriving silver mining camp in the late 1800s, Comet now stands as a haunting reminder of the past, where nature has reclaimed what was once a bustling community. Nestled in the stunning Blackfoot Valley, Comet was founded in 1866, driven by the discovery of rich silver deposits. At its peak, the town boasted over 1,000 residents, with a bustling saloons, shops, and lively atmosphere. The Comet mine itself became a significant source of wealth, filling the pockets of miners and investors alike. Today, remnants of the past dot the landscape. The original buildings, including the dilapidated saloon and miners' cabins, stand as silent witnesses to a once bustling era. The Comet Cemetery, just a stone's throw away, tells the stories of those who called this ghost town home. Each weathered headstone holds a tale of hardship and hope. Exploring Comet is like stepping back in time. Wander through the crumbling structures and let your imagination run wild. What stories do these walls hold? What dreams did these miners have as they struck silver? If you're a history buff or just someone seeking an adventure in nature, Comet Ghost Town is a must-visit destination. Bring your camera, as the haunting beauty of this place will leave you with memories, and perhaps a few ghostly stories of your own. So this was one of the first real Montana ghost towns I visited, and I guess the nearest city or big city of any size would be Helena. This is about 20 miles south of Helena, and just really well preserved ghost town, fairly large and spread out, and I really had a good time just going in the buildings and seeing like all this old abandoned furniture and crap hanging from the walls. So if you're really into this stuff, you like exploring old abandoned buildings or ghost towns or mining towns, whatever you want to call these places, Comet is a good bet. So enjoy the footage. I spent a lot of time here, and I really had fun with my drone getting a couple of quick shots. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Trying to grow this thing and make it one of the best channels on YouTube for Western content.
Acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore.